Thank you for signing up for the Hanukkah cookie decorating class. The first thing you're going to need to do is to purchase the powdered sugar that does not have potato starch. That's a kosher for Passover. You do not want that, but you want to be sifting the powdered sugar that that has cornstarch. Now I'm going to be adding the egg whites. And if you notice, I'm going to start by mixing by hand. If you put that into the mixer just the way it is, it's going to fly all over your kitchen. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to mix the mixture by hand, and you could also in the middle of mixing you could add flavorings if you like. That's optional. But you're going to mix it by hand until most of the liquid from the egg whites has been absorbed by the sugar. After that, you don't have any problems of it flying around, and you're going to use the paddle to mix up the royal icing, not the whip. And you're going to turn that on. In the beginning, when you start to mix it, it's going to look kind of chunky, and it doesn't look like it's going to be something that you want. Do not add liquid to it at this point or at all. You're going to let it continue to whip until it becomes white and fluffy. It's going to start out being a little bit more yellow and kind of translucent. And if you see when I'm all done, it becomes like a meringue, like a white meringue. And you're going to see that it holds a stiff peak, and that's exactly what you want. And at that point, you're going to just take it the way it is, and you're going to put it into a container. Now, what's important about putting this into the container is that it dries out very quickly. It dries out so quickly that you also have to make sure that when you put the lid on, flip it upside down so that the air doesn't form a crust on the top. Turn it upside down, and that's how you want to store it until we're ready to make it into royal icing that we're going to use for the cookies.